In the given equation, CxHy plus 4 volumes of oxygen to afford 3 volumes of carbon dioxide and 2 volumes of water. The hydrocarbon CxHy in the reaction above is what? Is it propane? Is it propene? Is it propine? Is it propanone? JAMB 1995, number 80, number 48. So the first thing we do is to find x and y from the balanced equation. And it is simple to find. Cx, there is a number here. There is number of carbon atoms. So what you have to do is to look for where carbon is at the product side. How many is carbon? Carbon is 1 times the 2 at the back. Sorry, the 3 at the back, which governs both carbon and oxygen. So carbon is 3 here, which means x is 3. Hydrogen, y, is a number of atoms of hydrogen. We go and look for where hydrogen is. Here, hydrogen is 2 times 2. These 2 governs both hydrogen and oxygen. So the 2 atoms of hydrogen times 2 is 4. So y must be 4. So that CxHy will be C3H4. What is C3H4? Is it propane? Is it propene? Is it propine? Is it propanone? So propane is simply this. Propane is an alkane with 3 carbon atoms like this. This is propane, which corresponds to C3H1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. H8. So propane is not the answer. Propene, ENE here means double bond. So that is 3 carbon atoms with a double bond in between 2 carbon atoms. So let's fill the hydrogen atoms. 1, 2, 3. This carbon already has 3 bonds, so we give it 1 bond to hydrogen atom. This one has 2 bonds. We give it 2 extra bonds to complete it 4 bonds. So this corresponds to C3, that is 3 carbon atoms, H1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, H6. It is not C3H4, so B is not the answer. Let's move to propine. YNE means triple bond, So that is C, triple bond C. We fill in the hydrogen, 1, 2, 3. This carbon has already satisfied its tetravalency, meaning that it has 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds surrounding it. But this hydrogen has not. It has only 3 bonds. We give it 1 bond and hydrogen. So this corresponds to C3H1, 2, 3, 4. C3H4. See, C3H4. Propine is the answer. Propanone is just arcanone. Anything that has something like this. Then the 2 other carbon atoms are here. We give them 3 bonds extra. Like this. We give them 3 bonds extra. This is propanone. It corresponds to C3, H1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, H6, and O. So this is off. This is off. The answer is C.